Hello students! Today we are going to explain about conversion factors. How do we convert from one unit to another? Conversion factors are numerical ratios used to convert from one unit of measurement to another. They are essential in chemistry and other scientific fields for converting between different units. These conversion factors enable scientists to express measurements in different units as needed for calculations, experiments, and data analysis. Here I have some common conversion factors for you. What about length? Length in metric and SI system, it is used as 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter. 1 meter, 1,000 millimeter. 1 centimeter, 10 millimeter. Whereas in UoS system, they use the feet, they use the yard, they use the inch, they use the mile. If you want to convert from metric to UoS, you have here the conversion. 2.54 centimeter is equal to 1 inch. 1 meter is equal to 39.37 inch. As I told you before, you don't have to memorize these. You have a reference. You have always we just put it for our students in the examination sheets or in the quizzes. But of course, conversion formulas or conversion factors, I should take it into considerations. Okay, therefore, if I convert from metric to UoS, 1 kilometer is equal to 0.6214 mile. This is for length. What about volume? For the metric SI, they just use it in liters, milliliter, deciliter, centimeters cube, cubic centimeter. Yani 1 milliliter is equal to 1 cc. What does it mean 1 cc? Yani cubic centimeter or 1 centimeters cube. Whereas in UoS system they use the quart, the cups as for volume, the pint, the gallon. You want to convert from metric to UoS, this much, milli to quart, liter to quart, milliliter to pint. By the way, 1 teaspoon, they use it also, UoS. 1 teaspoon is equal to 5 milli. 1 tablespoon is equal to 15 milli. What about mass? Mass, metric, SI, they use kilogram, gram, milligram, microgram, whereas in UoS they use the pound and the ounce. If you want to convert from metric to UoS, this is much. 1 kilogram is 2.205 pound, grams to pound, grams to ounce. Okay, what about time? Here, mostly, all of them, they use the hour, minutes, and second. Here I have examples for you. How do you convert? Example number 1. How many minutes in 2.5 hours? Already I know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. How much it will be in minutes, the 2.5 hours? Look how already I had written it for you. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 2.5 hour, how much? This how much in minutes, cross multiplication. We call it cross multiplication rule. I just multiply 2.5 times 60 over 1. 2.5 times 60 over 1. I've got it this much in minutes, which is 150 minutes. You have to write it in order. 1 hour, 60 minutes. 2.5 hour, how much? I have another example for you. If the speed of the car is 110 kilometer per hour, this is given, and the travel distance is 187 kilometer, how long will it take to reach? I had written it in order. Look, 110 kilometer is equal to 1 hour. I had taken it from the speed of the car, from the problem, from the above. Okay, 110 kilometer is equal to 1 hour. I want to travel for about 187 kilometer. How much hours I am going to take? 187 times 1 over 110, it gives me how much hours to reach. If I just multiply it, this is cross multiplication or by substitution. Example 3, if a person's weight is 165 pounds, how much this weight in kilogram will be? Already we know that conversion factor 2.205 pound is equal to 1 kilogram. I had written it here. I had it here in red. But they want me to find how much this person will be in kilogram if his weight is 165 pounds. How much? Also in order. For this how much in kilogram? It will be 165 times 1 over 2.205, and I've got this in kilogram. I have more examples. Here I want to convert 2.5 meter to centi. For every 1 meter equal 100 centi. How much the 2.5 meter will be in centi? 2.5 times 100 over 1. It will be 250 centimeter. What about volume? Convert 0.75 liter to milliliter. I know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milli. 0.75, how much? This is how much? 0.75 times 1000 over 1. Mass, 3.5 kilogram to gram. I know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000. 3.5 kilo, how much? This how much? 3.5 times 1000 over 1. It gives me 3500 gram. What about temperature? If I want to convert degrees Celsius to Kelvin, I just add whatever. For example, room temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. I want it to Kelvin. I just added plus 273.15 and it gives me 298.15 Kelvin. Here I have a device in which we use it in the lab, and it is a precise measuring tool. In such a way, it gives me the length, the diameter, depth. I want you to see how do we convert only from millimeter to centimeter. Whenever I have, for example, a cube, I want to take the side, one of the sides of the cube, I have to look at this 0, which is the lower 0 here, and I have to extrapolate it upward, and then I check. Whenever I extrapolate it, it comes in between what digits? This is 20 millimeter, by the way. The one before is 19 millimeter. But therefore, this, the side, the measured side, will be 19 something. And this 19 something, whenever I check 19 something, and I have to look for an alignment, the best alignment that I have here is alignment between the lower ruler and the upper ruler. I just find it at 7 exactly. But therefore it's 19.70. This is, I just take it in millimeter. How much the 19.70 will be in centimeter? It will be 1.970 centimeter. I have another example for you here, and I'm just writing it for you. 19, this is the second reading 0.70, and here the final reading 19 plus 0.70, 19.70 plus or minus 0.02 millimeter. I just convert it to centi. It will be 1.970 plus or minus 0.002 centimeter. Here I have another example. Here I have the 0. Whenever I extrapolate it, I just find it exactly at 25. 25. It's not before or after. It's exactly at 25. But therefore, how do I record? I recorded 25.00 millimeter. Whenever I want to convert it, I just convert it to centimeter 2.500 centimeter plus or minus 0.002. This is, we usually do it in the class, on the spot, and it will be so easy for the student. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will be with me in other videos.